Hey guys, it's me again. I am back with another Temu haul. When I get those packages, I'm just like, I track them every day. I mean, it is crazy waiting on the package, but it doesn't really take that long, between 1 and 2 weeks, something like that, give or take a few days. But I love Temu. I really do. I have all of the links for all of the items that I'm going to show you guys in the description box below. I also have a coupon code, the affiliated link, which is awesome. I purchased all these things myself, but Temu is awesome. And you don't have to spend a lot of money to get some really quality items on Temu, which is unbelievable. Now, I'm just going to tell you, I used to get the fake nails, and if you've watched my videos before, you already know this, but for the people that are new, I used to get the fake nails and from Amazon and paint them myself because I am an artist. And I usually paint canvases and stuff like that, which I'm going to show you some of that in a later video as well. But I would paint nails, and I sold them on Etsy, which I did really good in it, but I got kind of bored with it. So I quit doing that. But I went right before we had to redo our house here recently and got my nails done, and it was over $100. I like to fill in the floor. Now, mind you, I did get a bunch of rhinestones on some nails, but oh my gosh. I mean, it was unbelievable priced. So, when I seen that Temu had nails, I was like, are you kidding me? I am so going to get these and try them out and wear them. And I mean, the options of the nails that Temu has is unbelievable. Etsy has nothing on Temu when it comes to nails. They have rhinestones. They have every color that you can think of. They have ombres. I mean, you name it, they have it. And Temu also has sporting equipment, men's, women's clothes, you name it. You've got to download the app. You have to. I mean, you are missing out on so much if you don't. And also, you can go on your computer at Temu.com. But let's go ahead and get started. I've done enough rambling. These are, I showed the lady that was doing my nails, these particular nails. I had found a picture on Pinterest, and I wanted them so bad. It's like an encapsulated rose. And she looked at me like I was crazy. She was like, I cannot do that. I don't know how to do that. They are gorgeous. You got to see this. Look at that. Let's see if you can see them better that way. Aren't they beautiful? I've got to take one out and show you guys. See if I can hold it so you can see the rose. It's gorgeous. And these do come with the glue little stickers and the nail file as well. It's a small nail file, but it is a nail file. See if I can hold this up so you can see it. Gosh, I hope you guys can see that. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. I hope it focused for you guys. But anyway, you got to get those. If you don't get any nails, get these. They're gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. Perfect for any date night. Perfect for Valentine's Day, Christmas, anything like that. And they have the little, they come in these cute little boxes. They're really cute. And they don't take up a whole lot of space, so you could stack like hundreds of them in your drawer with no problem. But they also have the gold on them. I don't know if you can see that. Really, really pretty. Great buy. And the link to those will be in the description box. Now, these remind me of the 90s. And I was, believe it or not, a headbanger. And I love rock music. I love country music. I love all different kinds of music, actually. But back then, it was solely rock. And these have little skulls and little hearts, and they are adorable. I love those. And see, it does come with the extra ones down here, but this is the part that, just shows you what comes in them. And they were super, super, super affordable. I could not believe the prices that Temu offers on their nails. I mean, they're everything, actually. It's amazing how they just cut out the middleman and give you the product that you want without the big box store and without having to pay the extra cost of, them hiring employees to check you out and stuff. Sorry, my leg's going to sleep. I'm sitting on the floor in my new living room, and I will do a video on that as well and show you exactly what it looks like. And as you can see, it is super, super late. It's like 1:30, 2:30 in the morning, but everybody's asleep, so it's like the best time for me to film. These are pink, and they have a flower, and they have like an iridescent glitter to them, and they have an ombre, and they are gorgeous. Look at that. How beautiful are those? I'll flip them around this way too so you can see them. And I need to be doing my nails now, but we are in the middle of construction on our home, so doing my nails would kind of be silly right now. But I do miss doing them, and I can't wait to try all these on and have them in my videos so you guys can see what they look like. Now, if you do see one set on Temu that you like, these are plastic, so you can cut them with regular scissors or with nail clipper, and you can use the little file to file them into, if you bought a pair that was square tip, you could, file it into an almond or an oval or whatever you want to do. You can file it into a point if you wanted to. That's up to you. But the options are there. All you have to do is take advantage of them. These are so pretty. They have rhinestones on them. They have the silver. They have the black that like encapsulates them. They also have the little bows on them. Look at these. What? So adorable. These are so pretty. Let's see if I can put them this way so you can see them also. I wish I could get them to shine like they do in person. They're so pretty. Can you imagine black tie affair? Which I don't do very many black tie affairs. But yeah, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The bows stick up off of the nails, which is so pretty. So pretty. These also, like the other ones, will be linked below. These are cute. These are just fun summer ones. They have little hearts on them, and they have love wrote on them, because, everybody needs a little love. And that's what they look like. And they are the nude color with the hot pink. Very, very pretty. And as you can see at the bottom, you get hot pink also to go with these. So these are more of like your designer nails at the top, and then these are your fill-ins at the bottom. But yeah, and they come with the glue. Let me show you that real quick. They have like little glue tabs. And you can rewear these. You don't have to wear them once and throw them away. You can rewear them. That's why they give you extra in case you lose one or break one. but I've never broke one. But you can also use regular nail glue. Temu also sells that. And it also comes with this little nail file. It's tiny, but it works. And that's what matters. But all the links will be below for every one of the items. I'm telling you guys, you have to check out Temu. Remember, Temu.com or download it on your mobile app. You will be hooked. I know. I got hooked really, really quick. My dad is in his 70s, and he is the one that introduced me to Temu. Just saying, Temu has something for everyone. If they have something for a 70-year-old man, they have something for you. Thank you so much, and I will be back with another Temu haul.